Hello friends, so today we are gonna start another video of German language. So in this video we will learn the pronunciation of umlaut. First umlaut we have here a, but it is pronounced as a if it comes in any word, just as a in mate in English. Let us see some examples here. First word is in German später. Später means later. Next one is apple. Apple means apples. Next one is manner. Manner means man. And hander. Hander means hands. Next is here O umlaut, and it is pronounced as yo, as you in sun. Let us see some examples here. Yol. Yol means oil. Shun. Shun means beautiful. Hyogan. Hyogan means to listen. And Kernan. Kernan means can. Next umlaut we have here U umlaut. It is pronounced as U. As you in cute. U. For examples we have here first word is fewer. Fewer means four. Uber. Uber means above. Tour. Tour means door. And brooder. Brooder means brother. Next one is here asset. 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 It is just like beta in mathematics, and it is pronounced as SS in pass, and it is used after long vowels. For examples here in German and English, first word is here Straße, and it means road or street. Gross. Gross means big. Fuß. Fuß means foot. And Spaß. Spaß means fun. Let us see the difference between asset and SS. SS is used after a short vowel. For examples, we have here Messer. Messer means knife. Tasse. Tasse means cup. And Wasser. Wasser means water. And Cushion. Cushion means to kiss. So SS is used when the vowel is short. Let us see the difference if we use umlaut and without umlaut any word. First let us see a, and without umlaut it is washer. Washer means to wash, and with umlaut it is wäsche. Wäsche means laundry, and without umlaut it is apfel. Apfel means apple, and with umlaut it is pronounced as apple. Apple means apples. Next one is here O umlaut, and in normal it is pronounced O. Schon. Schon means already, but with umlaut it is pronounced as schön. Schön. It is pretty. Next word is Magster. Magster means liked, and Muster. Muster means would like to. Last one is here U umlaut. Without umlaut it is Mutter, and with umlaut it is Mutter. So it is Mutter means mother, and Mutter means mothers. It is the plural of Mutter. So that is all for this video. So we will see next rules in next video. So till then, keep watching my videos. Thanks for watching this video.